Okay, Unit 5 or Unit 4 is statistics. So some definitions. The mean is the mathematical average. The median is the number in the middle. And the mode is occurs the most often. And the range is the difference between high and the low values. Okay, so this unit we need to have a graphing calculator. Okay, so test scores were given as follows. Okay, so in your calculator, you're going to go to Stat and then press Enter to edit. So I have some stuff in there, so I'm going to put the up arrow, clear, down arrow, over. So I'm going to go up, clear, down. Don't press delete because it will delete your list. Okay, I'm quickly going to enter all these things. So 78, enter, 60, 55, okay, so I have my whole list in there. Okay, now here's something you can do, stat, and if I go down to a second, number 2, sort A means sort them in ascending order, so enter that. So I want to sort, and then I'm going to go L1. So if you didn't see where I pushed that, the yellow and then 1, because you want to activate L1. So I'm going to sort in ascending order that list, and then it did it for me. So if you watch, go back, stat edit, you can see that 20, 55, right? There's ascending order from smallest to largest. Okay. Now I want to get out of there and want to go to stat, and I'm going to go over to calculate, and I'm going to press enter to get the one variable statistics, and it will automatically do it of that list if you don't push anything. If you want, you could have put an L1 in there, but you don't need to. It will automatically do it as well. Okay, so there it goes. So this 77.1 is my mean. So 77.13 is the mean. 15, you would need, this 15 is how many scores there were. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can see there's 15 scores. If you go down, the lowest, the min is 20, so we probably need that for our range. 20 is our low. Median right in the middle is 80. Our max is 100. Okay. So median is 80. Our range is 80 as well, because 100, the highest minus the lowest. And the mode, this is why we sorted it. So if we go back, can you see any that occur the most often? 78 occurred twice, and no other ones occurred twice. So there we go, 78 occurred twice, and all the rest occurred only once. Okay, now I've already figured out the mean, median, mode, range for these two classes. They both have a mean of 72, a median of 68, a mode of 65, and this one didn't have a mode because nothing occurred more than once. The range is 40 and the range is 10. So what can you conclude about these two classes? So they really had the same average, right? But the big thing is that this one had a 40 range and this one had a 10. So here's kind of what's happening. They both are averaging 72, but A is more spread out, and B, they all scored closer to 72. So you probably had kids that really failed and kids that scored really high.